Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Cypress is an awesome test automation tool and it's gaining popularity. Not necessarily better than other tools, rather the concept is different than other test automation tools. This will be a complete series of Cypress automation tool. However, I'm going to break them into smaller chunks. So without further ado, let's get to it. So what is Cypress? Cypress is a test automation tool. It's used for functional testing of web applications by automating browser actions. It is similar to Selenium WebDriver, PyTest, and many more tools out there. Cypress is a purely JavaScript-based front-end testing tool. It only supports JavaScript. It was built by front-end developers and for front-end devs. Very natural for front-end developers to pick up quickly. Hey, that doesn't mean that test automation engineers can benefit from it. They should. It's a wonderful tool for test automation. It addresses the key pain points developers and QA engineers face when testing modern applications. The best thing is Cypress is open source, so it's completely free to use. In a nutshell, it's a fast and reliable tool for cross-browser testing. However, it doesn't support all the browsers. Currently, it supports Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Electron browsers. I'm not sure who's still using IE, but that's a different topic for another time. So Cypress user base and popularity is growing rapidly. As of July 23, if you look at their Git repo, it has over 44k stars. So now the question is, what can Cypress do, right? So if we go to their website, cypress.io, this is their main site. And if I go over to Why Cypress Overview tab, and if I scroll up, check out this documentation. They even have a video here how to set up and run your first test. So what you can do with Cypress is write end-to-end tests, right? Setup tests, write tests, and debug our tests. Beside end-to-end testing, you can also do component tests, integration tests, unit tests, and some people even writing API tests. So they gives more detail here. They don't mention much about APIs here. The Cypress wasn't really meant for API testing, but there's some capabilities and people are exploring and trying to use it. So why is Cypress gaining so much popularity and what's the buzz about? So I'm going to give a short answer and then kind of elaborates a little bit more on the features of Cypress. The short answer is 3 reasons. 1, it is fast. 2nd, easy to use. 3rd, reliable test. If that doesn't excite you, let me go over rest of the features, right? So also, if I scroll down, the features are right here. So since they're on the website, I'm not really going to go over in depth, but few of them I really want to go over that might be beneficial. Time travel, right? Cypress takes snapshot as your tests run. Simply hover over commands in the command log to see exactly what happened at each step. Debuggability. So the error messages are readable. That's good in a sense. If we understand, it can make sense out of the error messages, then it's easier to solve the issue, right? Automatic waiting. I think that's one of the biggest pain automation engineers had to go through. We don't have to add waits, right? Cypress automatically waits for commands and assertions before moving on. I think one of the really cool feature is consistent results, right? One of my favorite is screenshot and videos. So you can view screenshot taken automatically on failure. So there are some additional feature comes with the Cypress Cloud. So if you sign up with Cypress Cloud, run tests parallelly and then prioritize them and so on. And flaky test detection and flaky test detection.